Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be playing some Modern Combat and I'm back here. So I closed off the valve and I reached and do some do and turned the pipes that's making this flood. Okay, be gone water.
I got it, Chief. Go on ahead and tell me if it's working.
What working? I don't I don't How many times I said I don't understand that. Dozer. Sergeant Dozer. You knucklehead. The knucklehead, man. Okay, off to a good start, man. Oh no. Okay. Where are you, knucklehead? Oh, there he is. Okay. I'm gonna proceed my way in. And oh, okay. You're camping, alright. Especially you there. You're camping. Oh, I was looking at my map and I see a red dot over there. So yeah. And I'm gonna proceed. Oh! That was it. So I'm gonna continue to the next one, okay?
You've made it into the hospital where Abu Baha is expected to be recovering.
I'll
Make
make
it to the 6th floor.
I'll make this
Provide cover for
my
your squad whenever
part
possible. Kill
part
all
2
enemy
of
combatants.
the
Capture Abu Baha if possible.
part 2 of the mission 6, and I'll make this the mission 7. The night. But
Abu Baha is in a room on the 6th floor.
I'm gonna be doing that on night on Philippines. I'm at the Philippines, so if I'm night, you're morning or afternoon. Yeah, guys. But thank you guys for watching. That was a short one. I'm gonna be doing that in my night. This mission 7 one. So goodbye guys and God bless. Goodbye.